15 things airport security secretly hate and wish you knew. Air travel wouldn't be possible without airport security, but anyone who's been through a screening checkpoint knows it can be stressful, confusing, and sometimes downright frustrating. What many passengers don't realize is that airport security officers face countless challenges daily that make their job tougher and more exhausting than it might seem. From early mornings to long shifts, they are responsible for keeping everyone safe while managing impatient travelers, confusing rules, and a never-ending stream of luggage and people. Behind the scenes, airport security officers have their own pet peeves, common passenger behaviors, and mistakes that slow down the process, create unnecessary tension, or even risk safety. These frustrations aren't about making your travel harder, but about keeping the airport efficient and secure for everyone. In this countdown, we'll share 15 things airport security secretly hate and wish passengers understood better. By knowing these insider tips and avoiding common missteps, you can breeze through security with less stress, avoid awkward moments, and show a little respect to the hard-working professionals who make your safe travel possible. Ready? Let's dive in. 15th, not having your documents ready. One of the biggest frustrations for airport security officers is when passengers fumble for their boarding passes, IDs, or passports at the checkpoint. Having to pause and search for documents slows down the line and creates unnecessary stress for both travelers and officers. Security staff are trained to move people through efficiently, but when passengers aren't prepared, it causes bottlenecks. It's especially frustrating during busy travel times when every second counts. To keep the process smooth, always have your boarding pass and ID ready before you reach the front of the line. Pull them out of your wallet or bag and hold them in your hand as you approach the scanner. This small step shows respect for the security team and fellow travelers waiting behind you. Plus, it helps you get through faster, meaning less time standing around and more time relaxing before your flight. Remember, airport security is a team effort. Being prepared makes everyone's experience better. 14. Wearing complicated clothing or accessories. Airport security officers quietly dislike when passengers wear complicated clothing or lots of accessories that slow down the screening process. Think belts with big buckles, jewelry, multiple layers, or shoes that are difficult to remove. Every extra step, like taking off belts, watches, or jewelry, adds time and complexity to security checks. Sometimes these items trigger alarms or require additional screening, creating delays not just for you, but for everyone in line. To speed things up, try to wear simple, comfortable clothing and minimize accessories on travel days. Slip-on shoes, light jackets, and minimal jewelry can make a huge difference. Not only does this help you get through faster, but it also shows consideration for the officers doing their job efficiently. It's a small change with a big impact, making security smoother and less stressful for everyone. 13. Ignoring liquids rules. Airport security officers get especially frustrated when passengers don't follow the liquid restrictions properly. The infamous 311 rule. Containers of liquids, gels, and aerosols must be 3.4 ounces or less, all fitting inside one clear, quart-sized bag. Is there for a reason. Ignoring or misunderstanding these rules causes delays, extra screenings, and sometimes confiscation of items. Many travelers bring oversized bottles or forget to pack liquids separately, forcing officers to stop and explain the rules repeatedly. This not only slows down the line, but also adds stress to the process for everyone involved. To avoid hassle, pack all liquids in a clear bag and make sure each container meets size requirements before you get to the checkpoint. It's also smart to review your airline and TSA guidelines ahead of time, since rules can vary internationally. Following these rules shows respect for the security process and helps make screenings faster and smoother. Airport security officers appreciate passengers who are prepared and cooperative. It makes everyone's travel experience better. 12th, overpacking carry-on bags. Airport security officers dislike when passengers bring oversized or overpacked carry-on bags. These bags are harder to scan, take up more space on the conveyor belts, and often trigger extra inspections. Overstuffed bags can hide prohibited items, making the screening process slower and more complicated. Officers may have to open and inspect your bag, causing delays for you and others in line. To make security faster and easier, pack light and adhere to your airline's carry-on size limits. Organize your belongings so that electronics, liquids, and other items can be easily accessed and removed if needed. Being mindful of your carry-on size and packing efficiently helps security officers do their job quickly and allows you to get through without unnecessary hassle. Remember, lighter and well-packed bags benefit everyone at the checkpoint by speeding up the process and reducing stress. 11th, not following instructions promptly. One thing airport security officers secretly hate is when passengers don't follow their instructions promptly. Whether it's taking off shoes, removing laptops from bags, or stepping through the metal detector, delays happen when people hesitate or question the process. Security staff give instructions to keep the line moving efficiently and ensure safety. When passengers stall, argue, or try to skip steps, it not only slows down everyone, but also causes unnecessary tension. Sometimes, confusion or nervousness can cause hesitation, but quick cooperation makes the whole experience smoother for everyone. Security officers appreciate when travelers listen carefully and act promptly. If you're unsure about a procedure, it's better to ask politely and comply rather than resist or delay. Remember, security officers are doing their job to keep you safe. Following instructions without delay helps reduce wait times, eases the staff's workload, and makes your experience less stressful. It's a simple way to show respect and help airport security run smoothly. 10. Bringing prohibited items. Airport security officers get frustrated when passengers show up with prohibited items like large liquids, sharp objects, or unauthorized electronics in their carry-on bags. These items require extra screening, delays, or confiscation, causing inconvenience for both travelers and security staff. Sometimes, passengers genuinely don't know the rules, but other times they ignore warnings or try to sneak things through. Either way, it complicates the process and slows down the entire line. To avoid this hassle, check the latest security guidelines before packing and leave prohibited items at home or in checked luggage. Being mindful of what's allowed helps officers work faster and keeps everyone safe. Airport security appreciates passengers who take the time to prepare properly, saving everyone from unnecessary delays and stress. A little research and care before you pack can make your airport experience much smoother. 9. Being disorganized at security. Airport security officers find it extremely frustrating when passengers arrive at the checkpoint disorganized and unprepared. When travelers dig through bags, fumble with laptops, or scramble to remove belts and shoes at the last minute, it slows down the entire security line. The screening process is designed to be quick and efficient, but disorganization causes unnecessary delays for everyone. It can also increase stress and anxiety among passengers waiting behind. To help the process run smoothly, it's best to prepare before you reach the scanner. Remove laptops and tablets from bags, place liquids in a clear bag, take off belts and jackets, and have your boarding pass and ID ready. This simple preparation respects the time of fellow travelers and the efforts of security staff who are doing their best to move everyone through safely. Airport security officers appreciate passengers who are proactive and ready when it's their turn. Being organized saves time, reduces stress, and makes the experience better for all. 8. Arguing or being confrontational. Airport security officers secretly hate when passengers become argumentative or confrontational during screening, whether it's questioning every rule, refusing to follow instructions, or snapping at officers. This behavior makes the job much harder and creates a tense environment for everyone. Security staff are responsible for maintaining safety and must enforce strict rules, often under pressure and time constraints. When passengers push back or act disrespectfully, it slows down the process and can lead to additional screening or delays. Flight delays and missed connections sometimes result from these conflicts, which nobody wants. The best way to avoid this is to remain calm, polite, and cooperative. If you disagree with a procedure, express your concerns respectfully, or ask for clarification without arguing. Remember, security officers aren't trying to make travel difficult. They're protecting everyone on the plane. Being courteous helps keep lines moving and reduces stress for both passengers and staff. A little patience and respect go a long way. cooperate with security procedures, and you'll help ensure a smoother, faster, and less stressful airport experience for all. 7. Bringing too many electronics. Airport security officers get annoyed when passengers bring an excessive number of electronic devices. Laptops, tablets, smartphones, cameras, and other gadgets all need to be screened separately, which slows down the process. Multiple devices mean more time unpacking and repacking bags, creating longer lines and more work for the security team. It also increases the chances of missing something or causing alarms that require additional checks. To make the process smoother, try to limit the electronics you carry or organize them neatly so they're easy to remove and place in bins. Carrying fewer gadgets helps security officers do their job faster and reduces stress for you and other travelers. Remember, it's not just about convenience, it's about making the screening process more efficient for everyone. 6. Not removing shoes when asked. One thing airport security officers really dislike is when passengers resist or forget to remove their shoes when instructed. Shoes can hide prohibited items or set off alarms, so removing them is a crucial part of the screening process. When passengers hesitate or argue about this simple step, it causes unnecessary delays and tension. Security officers aren't trying to inconvenience anyone. They're just following safety protocols designed to keep everyone secure. To avoid holdups, simply follow the instruction and place your shoes in the provided bins. Slip-on shoes make this easier and speed up the process. Being cooperative not only respects the security staff's job, but also helps you get through faster. Remember, the shoe removal rule exists to keep air travel safe, and complying quickly makes the whole experience smoother for everyone. 5. Leaving bags unattended or not watching your belongings. Airport security officers get really frustrated when passengers leave their bags unattended or don't keep an eye on their belongings while waiting in line or going through screening. Unattended bags can cause serious security alerts, leading to delays, evacuations, or additional checks. Security staff have to take every unattended bag seriously, since it could be a threat. This means the whole checkpoint, and sometimes even parts of the airport, may be shut down while the item is investigated. It causes stress and delays for everyone. Even if you're just stepping away for a moment, always take your bags with you or have someone you trust watch them. Being mindful of your belongings helps keep the airport safe and smooths the screening process. Security officers appreciate passengers who are responsible with their luggage. It shows respect for safety and helps avoid unnecessary complications. Remember, your awareness can prevent major disruptions and keep the airport environment calm and secure for all travelers. 4. Trying to rush the line. Airport security officers dislike when passengers try to rush or cut ahead in line. It causes tension, confusion, and delays for everyone waiting their turn. Security checkpoints require patience and order to operate efficiently. When someone attempts to skip the queue, officers must intervene, which can slow the process down even more. It's unfair to those who have been waiting and disrupts the smooth flow of screening. Additionally, rushing often leads to passengers missing important instructions or forgetting to remove items like laptops or liquids, causing alarms and extra checks. The best way to make the line move faster is to be patient, organized, and ready when it's your turn. Respecting others' place in line helps everyone get through security quicker and reduces stress for both passengers and staff. Remember, a calm and orderly approach benefits everyone and helps airport security do their job more effectively. 3. Not emptying pockets. Airport security officers get annoyed when passengers forget to empty their pockets before going through the scanner. Coins, keys, phones, and other items in pockets often trigger alarms, which means extra screening and delays. This simple step is crucial for speeding up the process. When people don't remove their belongings beforehand, security officers have to stop and ask them to do so, holding up the entire line. Empty your pockets completely before stepping through the metal detector to avoid setting off alarms. Place your items in the provided bins or your carry-on bag. Being proactive not only makes your screening faster, but also helps the whole line move more smoothly. It's a small effort that shows respect for both the security staff and fellow passengers. Remember, keeping your pockets empty during screening saves time and reduces frustration for everyone involved. 2. Being unaware of security rules. One of the biggest frustrations for airport security officers is dealing with passengers who are unaware or ignore security rules. Whether it's bringing prohibited items, carrying oversized liquids, or not following electronics guidelines, lack of knowledge causes delays and complications. Many travelers don't prepare or research before arriving at security checkpoints, leading to confusion and extra screenings. This not only slows down the line, but adds stress to both passengers and officers. Airport security rules exist to keep everyone safe and ensure the screening process runs smoothly. Being informed about what you can bring, how to pack liquids, and what to expect during screening can make a huge difference. Before traveling, check your airline and the TSA or relevant authorities' website for up-to-date guidelines. Pack accordingly and be ready to follow instructions. Passengers who understand and respect these rules help speed up security checks and reduce frustration for everyone involved. It's a simple way to show respect for the hardworking security officers and make the airport experience easier and more pleasant. 1. Being rude or disrespectful. Airport security officers really dislike when passengers are rude, disrespectful, or confrontational. These officers have a demanding job, managing long lines, enforcing strict safety protocols, and keeping everyone secure, all while under pressure. When travelers act impatient, yell, or talk down to them, it creates a stressful and unpleasant environment. Security officers appreciate politeness, patience, and cooperation. A simple please and thank you can make a huge difference in how smoothly the process goes. Remember, these officers aren't trying to inconvenience you. They're working to keep all passengers safe. Being respectful helps maintain a calm atmosphere, reduces tension, and can even speed up the screening process. It's important to understand that everyone wants to get through security as quickly and safely as possible. Treating security staff with kindness and respect goes a long way toward a better experience for everyone at the airport. Thanks for watching. Remember, airport security officers work hard to keep you safe. A little patience, respect, and preparation from travelers make everyone's experience smoother and less stressful. Next time you fly, keep these tips in mind and help make the airport a better place for all.